Throughout history, mankind has created numerous inventions that have transformed our lives for the better. However, there are some products that, due to their inherent dangers, have left a trail of destruction and fatalities in their wake. This video explores the top 7 deadliest products ever made and delves into the reasons behind their catastrophic impact on society. 1. Asbestos. Once hailed as a miracle material for its fire-resistant properties, asbestos emerged as a deadly threat to human health. Used extensively in construction and manufacturing, it led to severe respiratory diseases, including asbestosis and mesothelioma. The long latency period for these diseases made early detection challenging, resulting in countless lives lost and communities devastated by the toxic legacy of asbestos. Cigarettes and tobacco products have been among the most lethal consumer goods in history. Smoking has been linked to various forms of cancer, heart disease, and respiratory ailments. Despite mounting evidence of its dangers, tobacco companies perpetuated misinformation for decades, leading to a global addiction epidemic and countless premature deaths. 3. DDT, dichlorodiphenyltrichloroethane. Initially praised for its effectiveness in combating insect-borne diseases like malaria, DDT proved to have devastating consequences on the environment and human health. This potent pesticide, banned in many countries, accumulated in the food chain, causing disruption in ecosystems and posing serious health risks, including cancer and neurological disorders. 4. Thalidomide. Marketed as a sedative and anti-nausea medication for pregnant women in the 1950s and 1960s, thalidomide tragically led to severe birth defects. Thousands of children were born with limb abnormalities and other malformations, prompting tighter regulations on pharmaceutical testing and the establishment of drug safety protocols. 5. Opioids. Originally intended for pain relief, opioids have morphed into a deadly epidemic. Overprescribing and aggressive marketing tactics by pharmaceutical companies contributed to a surge in addiction and overdose cases. This crisis continues to impact families and communities worldwide, demanding urgent action and awareness about responsible opioid use. 6. Lead-based paint. Used for centuries, lead-based paint posed significant risks to children's health, who ingested lead particles while chewing on painted surfaces. The toxic metal caused neurological damage, developmental issues, and learning disabilities. Banning lead-based paint and addressing lead contamination remains a pressing public health concern. 7. Nuclear weapons. The creation of nuclear weapons in the 20th century ushered in an era of unprecedented global fear and instability. These weapons of mass destruction have the potential to cause catastrophic consequences for humanity and the planet. The specter of nuclear warfare continues to loom large, necessitating international efforts towards disarmament and nuclear non-proliferation. Conclusion. While human ingenuity has led to remarkable advancements, it has also given birth to products that have wreaked havoc on society and the environment. Learning from the tragic consequences of these products can serve as a crucial reminder to prioritize safety, health, and the well-being of all when creating and utilizing new technologies in the future.